The problem with 4-day weeks after a vacation day, such as Memorial Day, is you still have 5 days of work to try to get into 4 days. So here's kind of where I'm at. My buddy needs the scaffolding back, so I'm taking this scaffolding down. Then I got to go back in the woods and get a section of scaffolding that I've had for years back there that I actually had a deer hunting stand on. And I get to fight with the mosquitoes to get that done. But this is priority one. My buddy that has helped me out, Jerry, a good number of times, has a project that he's starting on Friday. He needs this. And basically the rest of this in here I can get with a ladder. So we're going to get this taken down. I hate dealing with this stuff, in all honesty. Then I'm going to get the lawn mowed here. I may throw Schrager on the trailer and take that down to cut Blue Jay today too, because tomorrow I've got the afternoon tied up with, I got to make up a golf match with somebody. And then Thursday I'm taking my parents to a Milwaukee Brewers game. And then Friday I'm going to be helping my buddy here with his building project. Saturday we have Carmen's The Ties That Bind Us golf tournament, and we have friends coming, and we're involved with that. So it's gonna be kind of a crazy week here. Looking forward to a lot of it. Just got to get this done today. So I got some of the scaffolding all organized for my buddy. This section here, we had the Perrodin Investment World headquarters, the high-rise on, where, you know, we had it above ground, and it's been in disrepair for years, and so we finally trying to demolish it. I'm going to get this out of here. So Jerry's got it on Thursday. I got the scaffolding set for my friend. I want to get my lawn mowed. I want to get the one down at Blue Jay done in Rib Mountain. That's a 45-minute drive. I don't know if I'm going to get that one done. I'm going to hop on Schrager here and basically mow in the rain here. Get mine done. Things are tight this week. So hit that like and subscribe button. A little more open in here. I got to get this cleaned up and organized yet. Now that I got the scaffolding out of here, and the scaffolding is all stacked, ready to go for my buddy Jerry to load up and for his project. And the lawn back here and in front is all mowed, taken care of, even though it's raining out. So I got Blue Jay left to mow yet. Might even get that done today.